Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of evolution. Specifically, we'll explore the different ways natural selection shapes life on Earth. Natural selection isn't just one simple process, it acts in several distinct patterns, each leading to different outcomes for populations. Understanding these types helps us see how species adapt and change over time. First, we have stabilizing selection. This type favors individuals with average traits. It works against individuals at both extremes of a trait. Imagine a population where being too small or too large is a disadvantage. Stabilizing selection will make the average trait more common. A classic example is human birth weight. Babies that are too small or too large have lower survival rates. Babies with an average weight survive best. This type of selection reduces variation in a population over time. Next is directional selection. This occurs when one extreme of a trait is favored over the average or the other extreme. The entire population's average trait shifts in one direction. Think about the famous peppered moth in England. Before industrialization, light-colored moths blended with tree bark. Dark moths were easily spotted by birds. But when pollution darkened the trees, dark moths became camouflaged, and light moths were eaten. The population shifted towards darker moths. This is also how antibiotic resistance develops in bacteria. Only the most resistant bacteria survive and reproduce, shifting the population towards higher resistance. Then there's disruptive selection, sometimes called diversifying selection. This is the opposite of stabilizing selection. It favors individuals at both extremes of a trait. It selects against the average trait. Imagine a bird species where food is either very small seeds or very large seeds. Birds with medium-sized beaks struggle to eat either. Birds with very small beaks can eat small seeds, and birds with very large beaks can eat large seeds. Over time, this can lead to two distinct groups within the same population. It can even be a first step towards forming new species. Finally, we have sexual selection. This is a special type of natural selection related to mating success. It's about traits that help an individual find a mate or successfully reproduce. There are two main forms. Intersexual selection involves competition among individuals of the same sex for mates. Think of two male deer fighting with their antlers for access to females. The stronger, more dominant male wins. Intersexual selection, on the other hand, involves one sex choosing mates based on certain traits. A classic example is the peacock. Female peacocks often choose males with the brightest, largest tail feathers. These traits might not help them survive predators, but they greatly increase their chances of mating. So, there you have it, the main types of natural selection: stabilizing, directional, disruptive, and sexual. Each plays a crucial role in shaping the diversity of life on our planet. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to support the channel for more science content. We appreciate all your support.